Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today is going to be the second video of the week. We're going to give this a shot and see how it goes, putting out 2 videos a week. And I've already told you what I'm doing today. I'm doing a little add-on to that donation I was doing for breast cancer awareness for a young lady here in Oklahoma, actually here in Sulphur, Oklahoma, that has come down with it. She's about 28 years old, wife, mother of 2. Like I said before, far too young to be having to fight this battle. So what we're doing is we're trying to raise money. There's a couple of ladies I'm going to mention at the end of this, and I'm going to leave the information at the end of this, and they are going to do an online auction, and people are donating stuff to auction off to raise money for this family. And before anybody has any concerns about the money side of it, the girl that's running it is a state trooper's wife. I know them both very well, so you can trust them. I mean, as far as you can take that, I trust them, so take that for what it's worth. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and tell you what we're doing. We're doing a Wahoo board. I'm going to put an emblem in the middle of it. So here we go. So I'll finish this one up a little bit different. This board's just a little heavier and I want to sit here and hold, and it's still really wet. And you saw the finished product. I'm going to show you something that I'm always real careful about, and it happened. I've got a little bleed right there in those corners of the stain. It's not horrible. Thankfully, it'll be fixable. I'll be able to touch that up and just cover it up with a little pink paint. If I can mix the same color again, because that's mixed in my airbrushing. And so I went ahead and stained it. And like I said, I'm going to leave the information. You need to check the description box down below. It'll say see more. Click on that and you can go down there. And if you had never been in there, I put a description for everything I make. I've got a long list of supplies and different links to stuff that I use out here in the shop. But I'll put this link right up top to the Facebook page that this auction is going to be held on. And if y'all feel like trying to get a piece of this, trying to get this, I don't know if the two pieces are going to be sold together. Right here's the other one that I did earlier this week. I don't know if it's going to be a package deal, if they're going to do them separately. That is completely up to them. However they think they can raise the most money, it's fine with me. So guys, that's going to be it for this week. If you haven't gone over and checked me out on Smokey Uncuffed, run over there and check it out. And if you haven't subbed yet on this one, please sub. So guys, I'll see y'all next time.